to the Dress Up Mom. Hi, thank you so much for watching the channel today. In this video, I'm going to show you how my daughter and I decorated her apartment starting from scratch in our last video using resale. And then today we're going to talk about how she incorporated new pieces and what we did there to finish up the look. And we'll show you the big reveal. But first, if you are one of my regular viewers and subscribers, I absolutely adore you. Thank you so much. It means the world to me. If you are new to the channel but you like what you see, please subscribe. It's the button. It's just here somewhere. And it is free. It'll mean the world to me. We are also on all the social media outlets, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, at The Dress Up Mom, hashtag The Dress Up Mom, and you can check us out there too. My daughter recently moved into a one-bedroom apartment and she really didn't have anything to start with. And in a previous video, which I will link right here, I give you the background on why that happened. And we start off with resale and show you how we got a lot of key pieces and the building blocks to her place via resale. But we couldn't get everything via resale, and there were certain things she wanted to get brand new. So in this video, I'm going to take you through our shopping mostly at Macy's, and I'll tell you why we did that. But I'll show you how we incorporated new pieces into her place, and then I will show you the finished result, which we both just love, and you'll see the big reveal. Tiana was super lucky because her very handy Uncle Dan was in town the week that she was moving, and he built her from scratch this incredible platform stand for her mattress. It's all made out of wood. He built it for her. They had a lot of nice bonding doing this. She ordered an Ovation mattress, a special one. Look, he even made these little cupboards that she could store things in if she needed to, but they covered up, and this fit her new Ovation bed perfectly. We then headed out to Macy's. We went there because Tiana was starting to run a little bit lower on funds and she wanted to put some of this on credit. Macy's has these programs and she has good credit. So we went on a week where they were having huge sales, and they also had a special thing where you didn't have to pay interest for your first 12 months and sometimes even for 24 months. So she did that and it was very helpful. But Macy's furniture section is enormous, and at first we were quite lost, really not knowing what we wanted to do. And then I realized we needed to find the right person to help us. I first wanted a woman. There were no women, but I asked one of the women, and they found us the perfect guy who just steered us through everything that we needed in this labyrinth. At first, Tiana wanted a cloth couch. That's what she thought. And they had some really nice designed ones that she almost got. It didn't really have the right color for her. And we spent a lot of time with our friend here looking for that. He also showed us that we could get it custom made, but it would take quite a while to do that. You can pick the color. And Tiana was in a little bit of a hurry. So we were sort of discouraged until she saw this amazing leather couch that was the perfect size, the perfect color scheme for her place, and it was a fantastic price. The sale this week we went was just really wonderful. She also liked these simple chairs, the black one there, to go along with her dining room table. We found this cute marble stand. There were two of them that were for her bedroom, and then even in the clearance section, we found these two end tables for her living room that were really, really reasonably priced and very different and kind of rustic looking like she liked. So now it was time for her to go down to the bedding section because she needed to buy all of that, like pillows and her sheets and comforter and all of that. So we did that. She even bought Fiesta ware and dishes. This was the big haul of stuff that she bought in that section that we just loaded into her Prius. She got a great price for all of this, so much off, and she'll be able to pay it off in a year, and it won't cost her anything putting it on credit. She also picked up a few new pieces at Pier 1 that she liked, and we spent a lot of time at Home Goods. I didn't film that, but we got some great things there too. want to thank my daughter for asking my help and for letting me do this with her. We took about 6 weeks to do it from beginning to end, which I think is pretty good. We found some incredible pieces I think that she will have for life. She loves her place. She had a little dinner party there recently for people who loved it, so this made me very, very happy. I would love to hear your stories about decorating places and what you like to do and where you go to find unique, great pieces. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little.